Hey everyone, in previous video I have explained how to make single payments against multiple invoices, and in this video we are going to discuss how to make multiple payments against single invoices. Okay, so you can see the outstanding two bills. One is of LX store and CGC store, and you can see the CSV. Okay, which are they are around 7 or 8 transactions against only one bills. Okay, so they are ultimately, we can say, they are partial payment or partly payment, we can say. So how we reconcile in Xero? Let's discuss this. So first of all, I'm going to import that CSV file. Okay, I simply select the file, then we'll click on next. So you can see there are our transactions. Okay, there are around 7 transactions. Now complete import. So you can see on left side they are bank, and on the right side we are going to match against payments. Fine. So there are only two outstanding bills. Okay, so let's see how we are going to match. So I simply click on match. Here you can see LX store bill amount is 360, and this time we have paid only 60. So I simply click on split. Okay, so you can see part payment 60 and remaining amount 300. Now simply click on reconcile. Now let's go for another payment of LX store. Now this time payment is 100, and you can say outstanding is 300 only. So I simply select this and split, and the remaining amount is still 200. Now reconcile. Now this is third payment of 150, and the remaining amount is 200 only. So I simply select this, split, the remaining amount would be 50 only this time. Reconcile. Now simply click on match, just select LX store. Okay, payment amount is 50 and bill amount is also 50. Now simply click on OK. Now let's discuss about the second supplier, CGC store. I simply click on match. You can see bill amount is 420 and paid amount is 220, so 200 is remaining amount. Now simply click on reconcile. Now click on match. Paid amount is 50, outstanding amount is 200. Okay, and this time remaining amount would be 150 only, and this is last payment. Click on match, select the transaction, split the transaction, and remaining amount would be 100, which will be paid in future. Fine. So in this manner we can adjust multiple payments again single bills. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Can you like the video and subscribe the channel? Thank you.